Hi, disclaimer, this video is gonna be very random. This is my first ever reading vlog. So I had zero clue about how to, plan this video. I have just recorded random clips of me reading and talking about the books. I will be reading 3 books in this video. I'm a very big mood reader. I cannot stick to only one book. So I keep switching in between books that I read. And I started recording this video when I was at home in February. And it is April right now when I'm editing this, and I hope you like watching my first reading vlog. I have learned a lot from this video about how to film a reading vlog. So with that, let's begin the video. The first Hi, I think I've last updated on Saturday and it is Tuesday today. Okay, now coming to the reading update, I am currently reading this book, The Days at Morisaki Bookshop by Satoshi Yagisawa. एक तो ये Japanese author है, मेरे से नाम नहीं बोला जा रहा. Anyways, but this is a very good book. I am almost done with this book. I am on page 80 and it is a very thin book. It is only 147 pages. And hopefully I'll be done with this one in 2 days. क्या हो रहा है ना कि ये book बहुत easy है पढ़ने में. It is perfect for beginners, but I'm not getting the time to read. I'm so busy with packing, doing last minute things.
Young and open-hearted, desperate to feel wanted, gave too much to people that left me
Right now on page 360, and I don't like the guy Aaron, the guy who is partnering with Stacy in figure skating, because he's just so toxic. He's always like, you should not eat this, you should not eat that. He's so concerned about if Stacy will be able to fit in her dress or not. But he is promoting the toxic diet culture, and since I was a fat kid, I can relate to this so much. So he's like one of those aunties जो आपको बोलते रहते कि you should eat less, you should eat less. Than that, I am still enjoying reading the book. So I think that I will be able to complete reading this book by this weekend if I continue reading at this pace. I also feel कि शुरू के जो 150 pages थे, where there was a lot of build up which was not necessary. Like I can understand the build up for fantasy genre, but not for this genre. Update guys, every time I set up a reading goal, I almost fail. I promised that I'll try to complete reading Icebreaker by the weekend, but it's Monday and पूरे weekend में I could only read about 10 pages because I was just so busy. और यहाँ पे Oreo के full hairs लगे हुए. Anyways, so every time I am home, I don't get time to read. So though it's a Monday, but बस इतना ही बाकी है. I hope you can see. बस इतना ही बाकी है. No, you can't see from this side. Yes, from this side you can see. So बस इतना ही बाकी है. Have around 30-40 minutes free अभी before office. I'll try to read थोड़ा बहुत जो होता है office के पहले, and then I'll continue reading बीच में. Now I'll start reading. मैं हमेशा उल्टा book क्यों पकड़ रही हूँ मैं? Okay, so I'll start reading now. I'm still using this rubber band as my bookmark. It's been quite a few days, around more than a week, that I finished reading Icebreaker by Hannah Grace, and I have to say that I did not like this book at all. I don't know why I was reading this book. I was kind of bored in the beginning, and then in the middle I was liking the book. Or maybe I was trying to be generous because I saw many positive reviews online. So I was trying to understand maybe why people gave this book positive reviews. If you can see, this is not a thin book. I like nothing about this book. I will not recommend this book to anybody. This is a very popular book and I still do not understand how can people like this book. And while I was reading this book, I also got to know that this has another sequel. But for now, I did not like this book. And yeah, so that was my review for Icebreaker. Currently, I am reading this book, which is In Other Words by Jhumpa Lahiri. And I am liking this book. This is again not a kind of book that I have read before. guys, so it's been quite a few days that I finished reading the Morisaki bookshop and the Jhumpa Lahiri. Actually, I finished reading this day before yesterday. This I finished a week or maybe 2 weeks ago. This is my first ever reading vlog, and so I know it is kind of all over the place. I am not sure how I'll put this vlog into one and make a proper video. I'm still confused about it. I still don't know if I'll upload this vlog or not. But anyways, moving forward, these two books are very tiny books. Now I'll talk first about this book. I'll be honest, this was my first Jhumpa Lahiri book and I've heard many good things about her. My friends, when I posted about this book on Instagram, she instantly pinged me. So this book is essentially a love letter to the language Italian. It is a love story between Jhumpa Lahiri and her love for Italian language. About the book, you will see how she tries to learn this language. She's a Bengali but stays in the US. So she kind of feels disoriented to the US culture already, but eventually she moves to Rome to learn the language. She carries a dictionary with herself everywhere she goes and tries to figure out different words. Yeah, she learns the language, and this book was actually, I think, written in Italian, and this is the translated version. I'm not sure about this. It is actually a translated version. I'm sorry, I'll take that back. The name is written here. You can see it was translated by this person. I will rate this book 3 stars, maybe because it took me way longer than I expected to finish reading this book. That is the only reason I'll give this a 3 star. Apart from that, there was no story. It was just a autobiography kind of book, and you can give this book a try. Okay, so that was In Other Words by Jhumpa Lahiri, and now I'll talk about the last book that I read in this reading vlog, which was Days at the Morisaki bookshop. And I cannot stop talking about this book. If you are already into, Japanese literature, if you have read Japanese book, you will find the similar calming vibe in this book also. I think if you have read Ikigai, you'll understand what I'm talking about. So the story revolves around a 20-something-year-old girl who was recently cheated on and finds out that the guy who she was involved with is getting married to another girl. And yeah, you understand what I'm trying to talk about. It is a very common scenario which happens these days. And later on, she moves to her uncle's place and tries to help him run his second-hand bookstore, and eventually falls in love with reading. And after I finished reading this book, that is when I got to know that this is a very popular book talk book and people are talking about this book, but I seriously had no clue. And I recently saw a review reel of this book. She found this book to be very slow. I understand where she is coming from, because there is no huge plot twist or plot in this book. You are just following a girl who is trying to navigate her 20s and trying to figure out life. You can give this book a try. And yeah, that was about it. So I did not like Icebreaker. I loved this book. I have mixed feeling about this book. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked watching my first ever reading vlog. I am very skeptical about this video. I still don't know I'll upload this or not. I personally love watching reading vlogs, and I think I'll make reading vlogs in future as well.